Okay, welcome out. Today's advisory report is August 19th, 2026. Our gauges are remaining green. Favorable market conditions, short-term and intermediate trend are still bullish. Back to a little bit of struggle the last 2 days as price on the SP 500 looked like it was breaking out. And then it has sold back into the range, but still holding above the 20-day moving average, having a little bit of trouble with the AI complex. As you can see, ultra aggressive returns are getting beat up a little bit. Thus, we've had to move just a slight bit of defense, selling off a couple positions, but still remain poised in the overall complex of our strategies offensively and looking to get back offensive as soon as the market turns back up. Let's go ahead and look at the intermediate term trend. We are looking at price of the S&P 500 on a weekly chart compared to the 30-week moving average. We have found that over the course of time, if price is over the 30-week, we need to lean bullish. There are more up days in this posture. And when price dips back below the 30-week, which is this orange line, we need to lean defensive as there are less up days when that situation happens. But for now, right now, we are bullish. Looking at price, a couple month long consolidation. Here's the resistance area of highs. Price broke out and now has just been kind of meandering along, maybe even creating a new range, but not violating the old resistance. Looking at the short-term trend, here we have that 2-month long consolidation, like I was just talking about, that bust out, and the short-term range that's now building above previous resistance. Let me go ahead and draw a line right here so we can see it. A little bit of dip down the last couple of days, but nothing yet to be too scared of or annoyed of or fearful of until we break the 20-day moving average. We're keeping a strong look at that. The AI complex has been breaking down a little bit. Let's jump on over to Market Lens. Okay, looking at some of our positions in the ultra aggressive account. Outside of our S&P 500 positions, we still have a position in MU, creating a little bit of a handle here, finding support, and actually up for the day, even though down, closing mid-range actually. A little bit of rejection off that 50-day moving average. We'll see if we can pop back above that, but looking good so far. HPE, CrowdStrike, a big sell-off day today, bottomed out and was bought back up. We still have our position here, not hitting our stop yet. See if this thing wants to turn back up and continue higher. It's been a big winner for us. WDC, a little bit of a sell-off, also down 6.87%, getting close to our stop. We'll see if this thing wants to turn back up. It's finding rejections on the 50-day. That might be the big area of resistance that if this price can finally get above that, might be ready to go. HPE and sell-off also, but big buying at the end of the day, closing still above the 20-day moving average. So here's that cup and handle, looking for this to maybe create a couple inside days and turn back up. That's what I got for you today. Take care. Have a wonderful afternoon. We'll be right back at it tomorrow.